In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Wiki page from SharePoint. Microsoft had announced that come January 2024 that the Wiki page and the Wiki app would no longer be accessible. You are unable to convert your Wiki pages to OneNote. So I'm going to show you how to download them from SharePoint. So let's get started. Okay, so I am in Microsoft Teams, and let me set the stage for you. I have a Wiki page up on the screen. If I click on this one, I wanted to show you, I do have some images because that's going to be important if you have images in your Wiki page. And notice that I'm actually in the Track Creations team site, and there's 3 channels here, and they may or may not have Wiki pages as well. And I'm going to show you that you're able to download all of them. So what you want to do is click on the Files tab. You want to navigate to SharePoint. And in the left navigation, you want to click on Site Content. Now, only the site owners will have access to the site content information. Notice that there is a library called Teams Wiki Data. So let's click on that. It also says there's 22 items in here. So there's a couple of things you could do. You can go one by one and look at all the content. I do want to bring to your attention that most of these are a MHT file, and there are some JPEG, and these are images, right? And so I don't always know, what image will align with what pages. So that's key to note as well. But let's go back one. I could actually click on this button here to select all and hit download. It's going to create a zip file for me. I'm going to open up that file. If you're finding this information valuable so far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's go to the next topic. Now what you want to do is just extract all the data. So hit extract all. Navigate to a folder where you want it to reside. I've already created a folder called Demo Wiki to SharePoint and hit extract. Now I have extracted all that information into a local drive. If I click on it, now I see all the files. Now I do, recommend that you hit the view button, and I am in Windows 11, by the way. Go ahead and click on it, show icons. Now you can see the images, but you still have the problem with knowing where the images reside with what Wiki page. So let's open up one and see what it looks like. So I'm just going to click on this introduction because it does have an image in it. And I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose Open With, and I'm going to choose Microsoft Word. Now, if you don't see Word in your list, go ahead and say choose another app, and you're able to look at your list. Even if it doesn't have it here, you can go to the bottom and also say choose an app from your PC. But I already have Word here, and we're going to say click on it. I'm going to say just once. You can say always if you're going to open up multiple files. And here it is. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So notice there's the placeholder for the image, but I have no clue where that file, is coming from. And also notice there are some cleanup that you may have to do. This disclaimer is just basically saying that, any changes you make here will not be updated in Microsoft Teams, and that's okay. All right, so there you have it. If you found this information valuable, please like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Stay connected because I'm sure there's going to be more information with this Wiki page retirement. Now go work your magic.